Do you dream of turning your love for travel into a thriving business venture? If you've ever considered starting your own travel business, you've come to the right place. Welcome to TBO Academy's insightful guide on how to start a travel business. In this comprehensive video, we'll navigate through the essential steps to embark on this exciting entrepreneurial journey. Whether you're a travel enthusiast with a passion for adventure or an industry insider looking to set sail on your own, our expert insights and practical tips will help you chart a course towards your very own travel business. So let's dive in and discover how to transform your travel dreams into a successful business reality. Find your niche. Before setting sail in the world of travel business, the very first and fundamental step is to find your niche. In a vast and diverse industry, identifying your niche is akin to charting your unique course on a crowded sea. Your niche defines what sets your business apart and who your target customers are. It could be specializing in adventure travel, luxury getaways, ecotourism, or catering to a specific demographic. Finding your niche not only enables you to focus your efforts, but also helps you tailor your services and marketing strategies to a particular segment of the market. It's the compass that guides your business in the right direction, ensuring that you offer something distinctive and valuable in a competitive industry. By carving out your niche, you create a strong foundation for your travel business, enhancing your chances of success and long-term sustainability. Understanding the travel industry. Understanding the travel industry is paramount for anyone aspiring to venture into this dynamic field. This industry is not just about booking tickets and accommodations. It's a complex ecosystem influenced by global trends, customer preferences, and ever-evolving technologies. A profound grasp of the travel industry allows entrepreneurs to navigate these shifting tides effectively. By understanding market dynamics, industry regulations, and emerging trends, one can make informed decisions, offer unique services, and stay competitive. Moreover, it enables you to tailor your offerings to the diverse needs of travelers, fostering customer trust and loyalty. In essence, the importance of comprehending the travel industry cannot be overstated, as it not only paves the way for success, but also ensures that your travel business remains agile and adaptable in an ever-changing world. Upskill if needed. In the ever-evolving realm of the travel industry, continuous upskilling is not a mere choice. It's a vital necessity. Educational courses serve as a gateway to acquiring fresh knowledge and skills, empowering travel professionals to stay on the cutting edge of industry trends and emerging technologies. For a wide range of destination and business courses, you can check out offerings by TBO Academy, catering to the diverse needs of travel professionals. These courses offer profound insights into the latest industry dynamics, specialized expertise, and valuable networking opportunities, all essential for informed decision-making. As the travel landscape undergoes constant transformation, ongoing education ensures you remain adaptable and capable of navigating new systems, customer preferences, and regulations. Budget and capital investment play a pivotal role in launching a successful travel business. Setting a well-defined budget is the cornerstone of financial planning, encompassing startup costs, operational expenses, marketing, and contingencies. Adequate capital investment ensures your business's sustainability and ability to weather the initial challenges. It's crucial to allocate resources judiciously, making calculated decisions on infrastructure, technology, marketing campaigns, and staff. A thoughtfully structured budget and capital investment strategy not only ensures the smooth initiation of your travel venture, but also positions it for long-term growth and profitability in the competitive travel industry. Create a business plan. Developing a business plan for your travel business is a fundamental step towards success. This comprehensive document outlines your company's mission, vision, and goals while also detailing strategies, target markets, and financial projections. It acts as a roadmap, guiding your business through its infancy and beyond, providing direction and a clear sense of purpose. A well-structured business plan not only helps secure funding and resources, but also serves as a reference point to evaluate progress and adapt to the ever-changing dynamics of the travel industry. It's an indispensable tool for any travel entrepreneur seeking to establish a robust and competitive business. Name your travel business. Selecting the right name for your travel business is an important decision that can significantly impact your brand's identity and recognition. Your business name should align with your vision, evoke the essence of travel experiences you offer, and be easy to remember. It should also be unique and not infringe on existing trademarks. Once you've chosen a name, you'll need to register it with the appropriate authorities to ensure legal compliance. License and registration of your business. To establish a travel business, you'll need to navigate a maze of licenses and registrations to operate legally and professionally. The specific requirements can vary depending on your location and the services you intend to provide. Common prerequisites include a basic business license to operate within the legal framework of your area, a travel agency license if you're arranging travel services, and potentially a seller of travel license to safeguard consumers. If you plan to sell airline tickets, securing ITA accreditation is often essential. You might also need licenses for selling travel insurance and various local permits or approvals. Tax registrations are obligatory, and professional memberships, while not legally mandated, can enhance your credibility. Promote your business. The final and crucial step in building your travel business is to effectively promote it online. In today's digital landscape, establishing a strong online presence is essential for reaching a wider audience. Start by creating a professional, mobile-friendly website providing essential information about your services and destinations. Engage your audience through social media marketing, sharing captivating travel content, and promptly responding to inquiries. Utilize search engine optimization to boost your site's visibility and consider online advertising to reach your target audience. Email marketing is invaluable for nurturing client relationships, while online reviews and testimonials can enhance trust. Explore partnerships with travel affiliate programs, online travel agencies, and always keep an eye on analytics to fine-tune your strategies. In conclusion, starting a travel business is an exciting journey that demands careful planning, dedication, and a passion for exploring the world. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our travel guides and tips. Also, check out our website, www.tboacademy.com, for daily and exciting travel content.